Welcome to Beachside 365, where adventure meets the sea. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 cliff diving beaches in the Indian Ocean, featuring turquoise waters, soaring cliffs, and some of the most stunning tropical backdrops in the world. Number 1, Nusa Penida, Bali, Indonesia. Rising between 30 and 50 feet, the cliffs of Nusa Penida are not for the faint of heart. With dramatic limestone edges and crystal clear water, spots like Angel's Billabong and Broken Beach attract experienced thrill seekers. Accessibility is by fast boat from Bali, followed by motorbike or guided tour. There are no official safety services, so scouting your jump is essential. Local warung serve nasi goreng, grilled seafood, and fresh coconuts. Stay in beachside bungalows, eco-resorts, or budget hostels across the island. This spot is not family-friendly and is best for seasoned divers. Visit between May and September for ideal conditions. Number 2, Blue Lagoon, Padang Bai, Bali, Indonesia. If you're new to cliff diving, Blue Lagoon is the perfect start. With heights from 15 to 25 feet, warm waters, and nearby coral reefs, it's ideal for combining diving with snorkeling. Easily accessible from southern Bali by car or scooter. No lifeguards, but the lagoon is calm and safe for most swimmers. Food options include beachfront cafes and warongs serving fresh seafood and smoothies. Padang Bai offers laid-back accommodation, from budget rooms to mid-range resorts. Family-friendly with supervision and best visited from April to October. Number 3, Varkala Beach, Kerala, India. Varkala's red laterite cliffs, rising 10 to 20 feet, are known more for their views than their danger. Still, the warm Arabian Sea offers soft landings for beginner-level jumps. Easily walkable from nearby guest houses and the Varkala Promenade. No safety services, locals often advise best spots. Enjoy Indian coastal cuisine, tandoori seafood, and chai from cliff-top restaurants. Lodging includes yoga retreats, guest houses, and beachfront hotels. Best for casual divers. Visit between November and March for sunshine and calm surf. Family-friendly for teens and supervised jumpers. Number 4, Rasfanu Beach, Mali, Maldives. In a country known for flat atolls, Rasfanu Beach in Mali offers 10 to 15-foot man-made diving platforms into calm, blue waters. Located in the capital, this spot is easy to reach on foot or by taxi. The area is patrolled and platforms are monitored, making it a safe option. Snack vendors, cafes, and fast food options are steps away. Nearby lodging includes hotels and budget guest houses in Mali or on neighboring Hulu Mali. This is a great family-friendly location, best visited between November and April. Number 5, Pemba Island, Zanzibar. Archipelago, Tanzania. On the lush and less crowded Pemba Island, cliffs ranging from 15 to 30 feet rise over reef-filled waters surrounded by mangroves. Accessible by boat from Unguja or local flights from Dar es Salaam. No formal safety services. This is for adventurous spirits. Local cuisine includes Swahili seafood, pilau rice, and coconut curries served in beach huts. Eco-lodges and boutique resorts are scattered across the island. Best for intermediate level divers and nature lovers, with travel recommended from June to October. Number 6, Grand Bay, Mauritius. Grand Bay is a lively lagoon with 10 to 25-foot cliff spots, popular among locals and perfect for an afternoon thrill. Drive-up access with nearby beaches and boat rentals. No lifeguards, but locals can guide you to safe jump points. Street food stalls, seafood grills, and Creole fusion cafes are everywhere. Stay in resorts, beach apartments, or boutique hotels. Suitable for beginners and intermediate divers. Best from May through December and family-friendly with adult supervision. Number 7, La Digue Island, Seychelles. La Digue's granite cliffs, offering 15 to 30-foot jumps, are surrounded by lush forests and pristine white sands. Accessible by ferry from Praslin and then by bicycle or foot. Local guides may help you find safe jump zones, but services are limited. Dine on Creole fish curry, octopus salad, and tropical fruits at beach cafes. Charming guest houses and luxury lodges dot the island. Great for all skill levels with guidance, especially in calm weather. Visit in April, May, or October, November for fewer crowds. Number 8, Chamarel Coast, Mauritius. The Chamarel region offers 20 to 40-foot cliffs with rugged scenery and fewer tourists. Access requires a drive or guided hike to remote ledges. There are no formal safety structures, experienced divers only. Nearby, sample Mauritian rum and traditional dishes like dole puri and vende. Lodging includes eco-lodges and rainforest villas in Chamarel or nearby Tamarin. This spot is not for children, but perfect for seasoned adventurers. Best from June to October. Number 9, Uluwatu Cliffs, Bali, Indonesia. Best known for surfing, Uluwatu also features 20 to 40-foot diving spots for thrill seekers. Access varies. Some ledges are near beaches, others require a bit of climbing. No official jump platforms or safety staff. Scout carefully. Grab fish tacos, smoothie bowls, or Balinese satay from the cliffside cafes. Uluwatu is filled with surfer lodges, cliff villas, and boutique hotels. For experienced divers and surfers only, and not safe for children. Visit between May and September for best conditions. Number 10, Diani Beach Cliffs, Kenya. On Kenya's south coast, Diani Beach offers 15 to 25-foot dive spots with warm, clear water and thriving coral reefs. Accessible by tuk-tuk or motorbike from Diani Town. No lifeguards, but local guides may offer help. Enjoy Swahili cuisine, grilled seafood, chapati, and coconut rice at beach cafes. Lodging includes everything from budget hostels to 5-star resorts. Perfect for beginners and casual divers, best experience from July to October. Family friendly with proper supervision. From towering cliffs in Bali to hidden ledges in Zanzibar, the Indian Ocean is full of wild diving experience for every level of adventurer. Whether you're leaping from granite rocks or gliding into coral lagoons, there's a drop with your name on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more beachside thrills and ocean escapes. This is Beachside 365, where the ocean meets adrenaline.